What's going on, guys? Just be here, and we have a little bit of a different kind of video today. I have a few errands to run before Christmas starts. It is clearly a rainy day. I have to do two things. One, I have to go and drop off my film photos for development. There's a cool little place in Mississauga called Millennium Photo. I have a roll that I shot recently and I want to get it developed quickly, so I'm going to head to the one that's in Mississauga. It's a bit of a different video today because I'm outside of my studio. Maybe a little bit of a vlog. Again, different style for what you guys are used to. I'm deciding if I should buy a HOMEPOD mini, and I kind of do want it. So I think I'm going to go ahead, purchase the HOMEPOD mini, go to the place I was going to, pick it up, and there you go. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing of that as well. Let's get out of here. It's rainy. I'm trying to go. It's kind of cold. I got to go develop the film and buy the HOMEPOD mini. I'll see you guys in a bit. Nothing like some Starbucks ice caramel macchiato. Okay. Gotta head to develop my film, then actually gotta go pick up the HOMEPOD. I'm at this film place. I mean, this photo place to drop off my film. Looks good, eh? Looks good, eh? Yeah, I think it looks good. Okay, let's drop off this film for development. Be right back. Okay, so I picked up the HOMEPOD mini, got it on deck here. Can you see? Can you see? Focus, damn it. HOMEPOD mini. I was gonna get the Echo Dot, but decided on the HOMEPOD. Small box. Gonna take it home and finish off the rest of the video as an unboxing. So, shout out to Apple. Hey, how you doing? Back in the office, and I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of the HOMEPOD mini that I just picked up from the Apple store. I'm going to show you guys what's inside the box, some of the things you get. I'm not going to really go over the sound quality yet because I don't have time to test it, but I'm going to hook it up at my desk and show you guys what Apple gives inside. So let's switch over. So here I have the HOMEPOD mini by Apple. This is the box that it comes in. Looks pretty good, standard Apple design. I have the space gray model here. Let's go ahead and check out what's in it. I know that Apple usually has a pull tab with this, but I'm not seeing it. So I guess I gotta go old fashioned and open it. I'll start here. Plastic is gone. And now, oh, it slides out. Oh my God. Yikes. So let's just put the box to the side and look at the HOMEPOD mini. Wow, the material actually feels pretty good. I don't know what material this is. Some kind of cloth here, and has a pull tab at the bottom. Pull that off. Yeah, it's standard Apple materials. It also has this cord here. Let's take this off. This is the wall cord. And as you can see, it is USB-C. Pretty long, I'd say. Could definitely go to a wall and plug it in. This thing is small and pretty light. Lighter than I thought, for sure. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. Before I turn it on though, I'm just gonna show you what else is in the box. Oh, that is loud. Obviously some standard warranty information, manuals. Of course, the Apple sticker that it comes with. And it has its own charging port. So I'm actually gonna end up using this to charge it. It's white. I'd rather it be space gray to match with the rest of, to match with the HOMEPOD. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's everything that comes into the box. You can see it starting up. I'm gonna connect my phone to it. And you get this here. I'll let you know that the HOMEPOD mini is nearby. I'm gonna do a quick setup. It is in my office. I'm not going to subscribe. Definitely recognize my voice. Use personal request. Use this iPhone. Continue. Agree. Transfer settings. Center it in the frame, it says. So, no. Oh, what? Okay. I don't think it was centered, but it's making that noise while it sets up. Let's just wait.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HOMEPOD. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri." Let's get started. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play some music.
Now playing Apple Music 1.
Hey Siri, play Drake on Spotify.
The app hasn't added support for that with Siri.
As a lot of you know, this doesn't actually work with Spotify yet, so I'm just gonna wait for it to start working because Spotify is my music provider of choice. Don't really like using anything else. I don't like Apple Music for that. I know that this works best with Apple Music, but I'm not gonna waste my money on it. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. A little bit of a vlog type of video slash unboxing. I'm going to be changing up the way I do content on my channel for 2021. If you like talking about tech or seeing any of the latest gadgets getting unboxed, definitely you want to subscribe to my channel. I think I'm going to do a giveaway for the new year. It's not really for the holidays, but it's because we all went through a lot collectively. So I think I'm going to be doing a gift card giveaway, $25 to somebody that is a subscriber. You got to make sure that you're a subscriber. You got to comment down below, and you also have to like this video. I'm going to be announcing the winner maybe January 4th as a celebration of 2021. So make sure that you enter the giveaway that I'm going to be doing. Other than that, let me know what you thought about the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I honestly do appreciate it. I don't know if I'm going to be doing another video before the year ends, but if I don't do it, I just want to say Happy New Year to everybody. Happy holidays. Stay safe, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in 2021. Peace.